Alright guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you the best way to install when you get your new helmet shield. So you're going to need a couple things, a screwdriver, a drill with a drill bit just bigger than the screw that comes out of your old helmet shield. You may need to get longer screws. The shield's pretty thick, so if you need to, just go to the hardware store, take one of your old screws and get a longer one. So we're just going to start by removing the old shield. Take that off real quick. Get that out of the way, knock off some of the old drywall. You may need to bend this out if it's melted down at all. Hopefully mine's going to be alright. So to mark your shield, what you want to do is get some water and just get the back of it real wet. Give it a second to soak in, and then put it up on your helmet exactly where you want it. Make sure it's lined up, and then just press real hard. Once you get it where you want it, press it real hard against the studs on the back side. That'll mark the back side of the leather and give you a spot to drill. You're not going to be able to see it here, but there's two little marks back there. So then you can just drill from the back to the front. And barely see this mark here. Clean up the front there. Go ahead and put your screw through. Maybe a little bit bigger drill bit. Push that through. As you can see, these barely fit through there. Put it up in place. And then just tighten down your screws and you're done.